In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors of calendar events in Jobber Desktop. Giving your calendar a clear color system makes it much easier to spot what matters at a glance, whether you're tracking crews, clients, or specific types of work. Start by opening Jobber on your desktop and signing in. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click Schedule to open your calendar. In the top right corner of the schedule view, click More, then choose Schedule Settings. This takes you to the configuration page where you can customize how your calendar looks and behaves. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Calendar Colors. This is where you'll create rules that automatically apply colors to events. Click Assign a color to start a new rule. First, pick a color from the palette. Choose something with strong contrast so your calendar stays readable. Bright or mid-tone colors often work well, and avoid using two very similar shades for different categories. Next, decide where that color should apply. You'll see options such as when assigned to, when item title contains, and a client selector. If you want a color code by team member, choose when assigned to and select the appropriate person. If you're organizing by type of work, use when item title contains and enter a keyword that appears in your event titles like estimate, maintenance, or follow-up. To color events for a specific client, use the client option to search and select that client. When your color and conditions look good, click Save. Your rule is now active. Going forward, any calendar item that matches what you chose will display in the color you selected, helping you spot patterns quickly. If you don't immediately see the change, double-check the keyword spelling or the assignment you selected, and make sure the color you picked isn't too similar to another rule you're already using. That's all there is to it. With a few thoughtful rules, your Jobber calendar becomes far clearer and faster to read, so you can manage your day with confidence.